Namaskar dosto, welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. The banks are poised for outperformance. Let us discuss key levels and the main sectors in focus. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट पर. On Tuesday, the three major US indices displayed indecisiveness during a choppy trading session. Despite this, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 managed to hit fresh all-time highs, gaining 0.31% and 0.05% respectively. Meanwhile, the Dow slipped by 0.17%. The S&P 500 has recently given a cup pattern breakout on a daily scale. Hence, we believe it is likely to continue its northward journey and test the level of 6,100 followed by 6,180 in the short term. The Brent oil surged by over 2% on Tuesday and ended at $73.57 level. It has also surged above its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the 50-day EMA zone of $73.8 to $74 will act as an immediate hurdle for the Brent oil. While on the downside, the zone of $71.5 to $71.3 will act as a crucial support. On Tuesday, the US dollar index ended on a flat note at 106.34 level. Going forward, the 105.7 to 105.6 zone is expected to act as an immediate support. On the upside, a sustained move above 106.8 could signal the continuation of its northward trajectory. अब हम बात करते हैं निफ्टी के व्यू पर. On Tuesday, the benchmark index Nifty opened with an upside gap, reaching a high of 24,481. On the daily chart, it formed a bullish candle for the third consecutive session. Notably, the index has surged above its 50 and 100-day EMA levels. Additionally, the daily RSI has risen above its recent swing high, reinforcing the bullish outlook. आगे चलते, the zone of 24,530 to 24,550 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the level of 24,550 will lead to a sharp upside rally up to the level of 24,750, followed by 24,900 in the short term. While on the downside, the support has shifted higher in the zone of 24,330 to 24,300 level. On the derivative front, the December future surged by 0.49% and the cumulative open interest of the current, next and far series has dipped by 0.85%. Among the constituents of Nifty index, 12 stocks में long build-up नजर आई, 24 stocks में short covering rally दिखाई दी, while 9 stocks have witnessed short build-up and 5 stocks में long unwinding नजर आई. The 24,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 24,600 strike. On the put side, 24,400 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 24,300 strike. अगर हम इस करंट वीकली सीरीज की बात करें, the OI PCR is at 1.28, while for the December monthly series, OI PCR जो है वो 1.28 पर है. अब हम बात करते हैं बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में. On Tuesday, the banking benchmark index Bank Nifty significantly outperformed the frontline indices, rallying over 1%. Notably, it closed above its previous swing highs. The ratio chart of Bank Nifty relative to Nifty is exhibiting a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, indicating a strong bullish trend. The index is currently trading above both its short and long-term moving averages, which have started to hedge higher in the desired sequence, reinforcing the strength of the trend. Furthermore, the daily RSI is also approaching the 60 mark and continues to rise, signaling positive momentum. ये जो टेक्निकल फैक्टर्स है वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश मोमेंटम इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं इंडेक्स में. Hence, we believe it is likely to test the level of 53,100, followed by 53,500 in the short term. While on the downside, the zone of 52,400 to 52,300 will act as an immediate support for the index. On the derivative front, December futures surged by nearly 1%, and the cumulative open interest of the current, next, and far series has dipped by 2.1%, which indicates an overall short covering rally. अगर हम की लेवल्स की बात करें, द 53,000 strike has a significant fall open interest, followed by the 53,500 strike. On the put side, the 52,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by a 52,000 strike. अगर हम OIPCR की बात करें, for the December monthly series, the OIPCR is at 1.04. अब हम बात करते हैं कुछ की मार्केट इंडिकेटर्स के बारे में. On Tuesday, the volatility index, which is the India VIX, ended at 14.37 level with a loss of 2.23%. Going ahead, the 15.7 to 16 level will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. While on the downside, the zone of 13.7 to 13.5 will act as a crucial support for the index. The advance decline ratio was largely tilted in the favor of advances. अब हम बात करते हैं की सेक्टर्स के बारे में. निफ्टी PSU बैंक is on the verge of giving a neckline breakout of the Adam and Adam double bottom pattern on a daily scale. Hence, we believe it is likely to outperform in the short term. Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap space are likely to continue their upward journey in the next couple of trading sessions. Apart from this, the banking, financial services, IT, media and realty space are likely to outperform in the short term. अगर हम FII DI डेटा की बात करें, FIIs were to the tune of 3,665 crores, while the DIIs turned sellers to the tune of 251 crores. The FII's long short ratio for the index futures has slightly improved to 36% on a net basis. They bought 6,900 index future contracts and covered 20,000 short contracts. That's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.